Hey there! Sick of staring at the same old battery icon on your Xiaomi phone? No problem. In this easy tutorial, I'll walk you through changing the battery icon. So let's dive right in. First things first, grab your Xiaomi device and fire up the Settings app. Then, give it a little scroll and tap on Notifications and Control Center. After that, scroll down just a tad more and hit Status Bar. Now, tap on Battery Indicator from the options here. Next up, choose your preferred battery icon style from the available selections. You've got options like a battery icon with no percentage, one with the percentage inside it, or the percentage displayed next to it. Once you have made your choice, watch as it changes right before your eyes in the status bar. Oh, and if these options seem too basic, you can always snag some custom ones from the theme store. And there you have it, folks. That's all it takes to switch up the battery icon on your Xiaomi phone. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. Want more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi device? Make sure to subscribe to the channel because we have got plenty more where that came from. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.